So viewers, if you are looking to make your own HYIP investment website, then you are on the right platform. In this video, I will show you how you can make your own HYIP investment website using HYIP Rio latest version 2.6.2 website. So I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, Script Smasher. Before moving towards the video, I request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel. So in this video, I'm gonna give you the complete review of this website. Here, first of all, you can see this is installed on my subdomain demo.scriptsmasher.com. So I have installed it. Now I'm giving you the demo. And in this website, you will get multiple templates that you can use to change the design of website. So in this video, I'll completely guide you about this website, and we can completely control this website from admin panel. So this website has an admin panel from where you will completely control the users. You can make plans, you can change content of website. So let's start the video without wasting much more time. First of all, here you can see it is on the home page. There is a banner section. You can change the text and image that is on the banner. And here you can see make investment and how it works section. Here you can see the plan section. So user can see the multiple plans of the website on this section. So here you can see there is a starter plan, investment of $400, capital back, return type. You can set basically all these things from the admin panel. You don't need any coding knowledge to control this. Basically, it has a graphical user interface from where you can control it easily. So here you can see holiday profits are off. So here you can make multiple plans on your website from admin panel. Here is a profit calculator section. So user can calculate their profit according to their plans. And it is a very amazing site. Here you can see how it works. Simply register account, verify email, verify KYC, deposit money, investment in a plan, transfer your money, refer a friend, and you can earn through referrals and investment in plans. Here is why to choose us section. So you can list all these details from admin panel according to your business plan. So here are some frequently asked questions section. Basically you can change them as well. Here are the blog section, so you can insert your own blogs according to your concept of your business. So it will be simple. Here you will get multiple automatic gateways, and basically the important thing here is you will get both automatic withdraw and automatic deposit on this website. So you will get the gateway for both, so you can use them. So here this is all about the home page. I completely guided you. Each and everything that is on the home page is changeable. Here if user want to visit these pages separately, user can visit these pages separately. Here's a ranking page, so user can visit all these pages like about, blog, contact, all these pages separately from here. So viewers, now we will go to the home page. So let me just go to the home page, and now we will register our account on the website. So here you can see there are two options. Number one is register and number two is account. This is basically a login option. So if you already have an account, you can log in. If you don't have an account, you can go to sign up for free and you can sign up your account. So we currently website, I just created the website, and the website is completely new. So we will create our user account. So let me just create an account with random details. Currently I have turned off the two-factor authentication, so you can use any of the details, so it will not verify the email. But when I turn it on from admin panel, a user must have to verify the email. So same, you can do this as well. So click on create account. So here you can see our account has easily created successfully, and it has a very amazing look. Let me show you how it looks like in the mobile view. So mobile users can also easily use this. So this is how it will looks like in mobile. It has a very amazing look in mobile, and it has multiple templates, so you can change the designs as well. So you can see different design in thumbnail. I will show you all the design directly on thumbnail. So you can see all different designs in the website, and you can change the template. So let me just go back to computer screen. Here is a referral link. First of all, you can refer your different user using this link, and user can earn money through referrals as well. And user can see its ranking according to its investments or referrals, and user can earn through rankings as well. So you will give user some bonuses on different refers and investments, etc. Here you can see all transaction, total deposits, total investment, total profits, total transfer, withdrawals, referral bonuses, deposit bonuses, investment bonuses, rank achieved, and everything will be here in front of you. Here user can go to deposit and user can deposit money using any of the gateway. So it has 30 plus automatic gateways and withdrawal gateways, and you can create the manual gateways like EasyPaisa, Jazz Cash, any other gateway you want to create. Local gateway you can create it manually. Currently the website is newly created, so we haven't enabled any gateway. So in this video I'm going to guide you completely how we can enable the gateways from the admin panel. So be with us and watch this video till the end. And go when user click on invest, user can invest in multiple plans. So this is how user can invest in plan. Just click on invest now and user can invest in the plan. So here you can see your profit wallet and main wallet. Here user can see all the plans. Here user can see all its investment logs, like investment in different plans. Here user can see all its transactions. Here user can deposit money by going to add money, same as like the deposit section. Here is our deposit logs. User can see its deposit history over here. Here is wallet exchange, so user can transfer funds from one wallet to another. User can send money from one account to another on the same website, and here user must have to verify the KYC to do these things. Here is send money, so user can send money from here. Here user can see all its send money logs, so we have to verify the KYC to use these functions. So you can turn on off KYC from admin panel, it will be completely under your hand. Same is case with withdrawal. User can withdraw money, see its withdrawal log. Here are ranking badges, and this is the referral section. So user can see all its referred user, and the people who will be referred, they will be appeared under here in this section. So this is all about this user panel of this website. Here admin can send user notifications as well, so user can see notifications over here. And if user want to change the language is also changeable, so it can be used in multiple languages on the website. So now we will just go to our admin panel. This is all about the user panel I guided you, and now we'll go to admin panel of this website, and I'll show you how you can completely control this website from the admin panel. So this is the admin login page. Here we have to enter our admin details in order to log in. Without entering admin details we cannot log in, so only the one user or admin can create different permissions for multiple accounts to log in or manage the admin. So we'll just go to enter our details, and we will enter our password, and when I click on admin login, it will log me into the admin panel. So this is the amazing admin panel of this website. So on admin dashboard, admin can see the total referred users, total active users, site staff, total deposits on the website, total withdrawals from the website, total referrals, total send, total investment, deposits, and here admin can see the graphs related to user investments and different pie charts and all different details on the dashboard. Here admin can see the notification. So here you can see we just registered our account, and admin had get the notification that web SP thanks for joining, and a new user has joined the website. So this is how admin can see everything related to website. So here when we go to customers, we will click on all customers, so admin can see all the customers on the website. So this is our own account that we just created, and you can see admin can edit this account, so we can edit and view all the details. We can verify their emails, KYC, two-factor authentications, and whatever we want to do, we can do it from here. And now let me show you if I want to change the admin balance. So here I can add login as user, and from here I can add or subtract funds to user account. So we will just add $1,000 to user account. So from here click on apply now, and now when we will go to our account, and when I refresh, you can see $1,000 are added to our account. So similarly admin can add balance or from user account. So here you can see in transaction, this is a $1,000 transaction over here. So admin can add balance or subtract balance also from user account. So here we can subtract as well. Similarly admin can view their investments, earning, transactions. Admin can see referral trees, answer their support tickets from ticket option. So everything is controllable from here. So let me just verify the KYC as well. So now our KYC is verified also. So now we can invest in any plan we want. So let me go to all schemas like plans, and we will invest in this plan. So click on invest now, select the plan, select the amount, enter the wallet, and you can see click on invest now, and you can see we have just invested the money in this plan. So the money is invested in starter plan. So you can see its details and its time period, and profit will be added after this time period. So this is how we can invest in the plans, and now you can see the balance is now $1,000 and $400 is our investment. So we have currently invested in this account, and you can see our profit as well. So this is how we can subscribe, user can subscribe to the plans. Here you can see all active, disabled, so you can send them notification to the users, you can send them emails from here. From here you can verify their KYC forms, you can make KYC forms from here. So this is all about the KYC settings. From manage roles, basically you can create the multiple roles to manage your website, like admin, manager, editor. You can make the roles from here and give them multiple permissions for your site. Here is manage staff, so you can manage your website staff. Here is a manage schema option, so you can create the plans on your website. Currently there are 4 plans on the website, but you can add as many as plans you want. Just go to add now. Here upload the image of plan, enter the name of plan, badge of plan. Here you have to enter the interest, how much you want to give, return period, hour, daily, monthly, weekly, whatever you want to give to user, and return type, lifetime or for specific period. So we'll just do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Here capital back or not, featured or not, and just click on add schema, and your plan will be added successfully, same like the others. So if we want to edit these plans, we can edit them as well. So we can edit them from here, and you can see this is how we can make the plans on the website. So it's completely simple and easy to use. So you don't need any coding knowledge to make this. And if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp link is in description, and we will provide you complete support. So if you need the complete website or only the script of the website, you can contact us. Both WhatsApp and Telegram links are in description, and you can buy this from us at a very reasonable price. So let's start. Here is a transaction option. So here you can see all the transactions on your website. Here you can see the investments on your website, you can see user profits. So if you go to automatic gateways, so from here you can see all the automatic gateways, Binance, all now payments, CoinGate, PayPal, Stripe, Coinbase, all these gateways are available. So you can use any of the gateway you want. Suppose I want to use the PayPal, so you can edit your merchant details, and you can use the PayPal automatic gateway for deposits. Similarly, we can go to deposit option, and we can make the manual gateways. So from here we can make the manual gateways. To make the manual gateway, just click on add new, enter the image of the image, name, code, currency, minimum maximum deposit, enter your details, and you can make the manual gateway on your website. So it's completely simple to make the manual gateway. Here you can manage all the requests of users for payment of manual gateways, so you can approve them or reject them. Here you can see the deposit history. So here is a withdrawal option, so you can use automatic gateways for withdrawal or manual gateways for withdrawal. So click on add new, and you can make the withdrawal manual gateway, same like deposit. So you can see withdrawal history, withdrawal schedule, pending withdrawal requests, like everything same like deposit is here. Here you can manage the referrals, you can manage multi-level referral or target level referrals. So you will get 2 different options, you can manage them from here. So you can create as many of levels of referral commission you want on deposit, investment or profit. So from here you can manage the target referrals. So it will be depends on you how you will manage them. From user ranking, basically you can create the ranking, like you can give different bonuses to user on different achievements. So here is a settings option, so you can do the site setting from here. So if you want to change the logo of website, you can change the logo directly from here. You can just click on it and upload your own logo. So you can change site currency from here, from USD to any of your currency, local currency you want. Here you can change the level based from target based, it depends on you. You can change the currency symbol, code, and fee settings of the website, exchange, wallet settings, GDPR cookie settings, and everything, permissions of email verifications. You can turn them on off from here. It will completely depends on you. So this is the site setting option. So there are many options. You can manage email setting, plugin settings, SMS settings, notification tune. It's completely simple and everything is easy. And if you buy from us, we will provide you complete support with this. If you buy only script, and in complete website we will do all the work, like we will buy domain hosting and build the complete website for you in complete website at a very reasonable price also. So there are multiple languages. If you want to insert your own language, just click on this and you can add your own language from here. So here is a page settings. So you can make the basic page settings, like the home page. You can change the background, turn on off different fields, currency, referral code, etc. You can do it from here. In the forms, here is the theme manage. So if we go to site themes, you will get many different templates over here. So you can manage all these templates, and number 1, number 2, and you can activate these templates from here. Suppose I want to use this template, so I will click on activate and let me just activate it. So theme has activated successfully. Now we will go to our dashboard and let me see whether the template is live or not. So as you can see, our template has changed successfully and now we are on our new template. So this is how you can change the template, and you can see how amazing this look is. And similarly, let's see the home page, and home page is also changed. So in single click you can change the template design of your website. So similarly, you can use any of the template you want. So let me just, here you can go to landing page and you can edit every sections that are on your website. So as I told you, everything that is on the website is changeable. So suppose there is a hero section, so you can change everything that is on that section. So each and everything, text, images is changeable. Similarly, here are all the sections like counter section, everything is changeable. So you can change these details from here, and all these sections, why to choose a section, everything is changeable over here on this section also. So you can change everything you want. Here are the pages. You can manage all these pages like footer, forgot, registration. You want to change them, you can change them also. You can change the navigation bar, footer content, email template, SMS template, push notification, and some other settings are here. And you can also see the latest version of the application. So viewers, if you want to purchase this website or complete website or script, you can contact us. Both WhatsApp or Telegram links are in description. So before ending this video, I request all of you to do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you can contact us if you need any type of website, we will build that for you. We have multiple HYIP investment, order grabbing, PTC, and all type of websites are available. You can just contact us and we will build them for you. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.